Let the fuel fly. All right, blue and red. One right after the other. A barrage, a torrential rainstorm of fuel on the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance, human players active. Red Alliance with a bunch more. Still anybody's match. 38-26. Red Alliance getting ready to transition the control of the hub over to the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance now has their active hub. Human players are just tossing with abandon those fuel into their hub. Pretty good. Scoring about 75% of those shots thrown. Got some defense going on in the center of the field in the neutral zone. Red Alliance getting ready. 58-29, scoring a whole bunch. 42-95 on the Blue Alliance, playing some defense. Cycle Breaker still managing to score. Here comes again. The AwtyBots scoring pretty readily. Human players also adding. Now it's the Blue Alliance's turn. Their hub is now active. And look at 10-1-18. A hailstorm of fuel going into the hub. They're gathering more. Meanwhile, we got Cycle Breakers. Looks like their intake has been demolished. Oh. 10-1-18 with some more scoring. Here comes Red Alliance. Their hub is active. Human players are moving. Oh. Here comes 58-29 AwtyBots. Launching quite a few. Look at that array of projectile motion and fuel going into the hub. It's coming down to the last 30 seconds of the match. Red Alliance is on fire. Here we go. Blue Alliance, look at that. 10-1-18 with a barrage of fuel. We got some defense going all over the field. Red with another fuel going in. Blue is waiting. Red Alliance continues to score. Blue, 10-1-18, coming back. And time! Score, Red Alliance wins the match. 137-70. And we have our second finalist. Alliance 2 wins this one, and they move on to the finals to play the upper bracket winning alliance.